Hi, I'm Roger Alvey, Superintendent of Illini Bluffs School District number 327 in Glasford, Illinois. Today we're really excited because our rooftop chillers are coming off. This is a project that's 21 years in the making. We're going from 2 to 3 chillers to increase the capacity. Well, anytime you can improve the learning environment, obviously that's going to help not only the employees but most primarily the students, and we're hoping to raise achievement. When students are comfortable, they'll learn better, they can listen better, and we look forward to the process. Well, Keith has always been extremely helpful in the multitude of projects that we've done here because they're just so knowledgeable. We use them for electrical projects here at school, replacing a fire alarm system. We use them to design replacement of ductwork. All told, we've used them for about $2 million worth of projects, including this $750,000 project, which is replacement of our chillers.